everybody's come together really well. Everybody works great together. We have a broad range of skills, you know, really talented designers, but also people with a really strong construction background. So we can really do the whole process from start to finish. So really grateful to have everyone here, and really excited for the future. So, thank you guys very much.
This is definitely a budget saver. You could do something like this, and then let's say in 5-10 years you decided you wanted to upgrade your countertops. That's an easy change. It's not like you have to go to the and you can still get a high-end sink.
Take it for lunch? Take it for the food truck out back?